Today we are going to learn how to greet people in Arabic. There are different greeting phrases depending on time of the day and on different occasions. We're going to learn those phrases. At the end, we're going to put them in context. It will be a conversation between two people. In the morning, we say Sabahul Khair or Sabahul Nur. While in the afternoon, we say Masa'ul Khair. Masa'ul Khair. If you want to say hi or hello in Arabic, say Ahlan for hi, Ahlan. Marhaban for hello, Marhaban. The Islamic greeting is Assalamu alaikum, which means peace be upon you. You can reply to this by saying Wa alaykumus salam. Wa alaykumus salam. Peace be upon you too. To welcome people, we say Ahlan wa sahlan. If you want to address it to a specific person or people, for plural, we say Ahlan bikum. For a female, we say Ahlan biki. Ahlan biki. We have kasra on the kaf. Ahlan biki. For a male, we say Ahlan bika. Ahlan bika. Now, to say how are you in Arabic, for a male, we say كيف حالك. كيف حالك. For a female, we say كيف حالك. كيف حالك. For a group of people, we say كيف حالكم. كيف حالكم. To reply I'm good, you say أنا بخير. أنا بخير. أنا بخير, both if you are a lady or gentleman. If you want to say I'm not good, you say أنا لست بخير. أنا لست بخير. Or أو أنا لست على ما يرام. أنا لست على ما يرام. يسرني لقاؤك. Glad to meet you. That's when you say it to a male. يسرني لقاؤك. When you say glad to meet you to female. يسرني لقاؤكم. When you say it to a group of people. يسرني لقاؤكم. Now when a group of people say glad to meet you to another group of people, they say يسرنا لقاؤكم. يسرنا لقاؤكم. You can say يسرنا لقاؤكم to a group of people on behalf of your family are glad to meet a group of people who visited your house. Another way to say glad to meet you or nice to meet you is فرصة سعيدة. فرصة سعيدة. Goodbye in Arabic. There are different ways to say goodbye. We can say مع السلامة. مع السلامة. Be safe. The Islamic way to say goodbye is في أمان الله. في أمان الله. So في أمان الله means in the safety of God. A formal way to say goodbye is وداعا. وداعا. And a friendly way to say bye is إلى اللقاء. إلى اللقاء. وداعا أراك لاحقا. Goodbye, see you later. إلى اللقاء أراك قريبا. Bye, see you soon. ليلة سعيدة. Good night. Happy night is word for word translation. أحلام سعيدة. Sweet dreams. أحلام سعيدة. Happy dreams is for word translation. Now, let's put these words in context. Assalamu alaikum. وعليكم السلام. كيف حالك؟ أنا بخير. ما اسمك؟ اسمي سفيان. تشرفت بمعرفتك. الشرف لي. In the first part, Muhammad says, Assalamu alaikum. Sufyan replies, Wa alaykum salam. This is the Islamic greeting as we learned earlier. In the second part, Muhammad asks Sufyan, how is he? Sufyan replies, Ana bikhair. I am good. Muhammad asks Sufyan about his name as they just met. And he says, What's your name? Ma ismuka? Sufyan replies, Ismi Sufyan. My name is Sufyan. The last part, Muhammad says, I'm honored to meet you. This is the formal way to say, I'm glad to meet you. And Sufyan replies, Ash-sharafu li. The honor is mine.